Kidswear Business Ideas: The Ultimate Guide. How to start a children's clothing business. In this video, I will let you know from my experience about how to start a kidswear business step by step. The topics that will be discussed in this video are: Number 1. Kidswear trading business ideas. Number 2. Types and categories of kids clothing. Number 3. Kidswear manufacturing business categories. Number 4. Boutique and kidswear business. Number 5. Large-scale kidswear manufacturing units. Number 6. Types of machine and equipment models. Hey folks, let's discuss one of the most profitable businesses in the garment industry. There are so many categories available in clothes, but I am going to introduce one of the most popular and essential called kidswear business ideas. As we know, the garments industry is vast, and it has huge potential. In this sector, you may find a variety of clothes in different categories. We mostly focus on the adult fashion areas, but we ignore or miss the kids wear, which is one of the most important areas. If you do a little bit of research on it, you will be shocked to know how these clothes are consumed on a daily basis because kids' ages are never the same. They keep changing over time. Hence, the clothes size will be upgraded with the new one. Now understand first what you have to do: decide which kids' clothes category will be suitable for you. Whether it is basic, regular, or according to the fashion trends and occasion wear. Furthermore, in these kids' wear segments, you may need to decide whether you will focus on boys' or girls' clothes. Moreover, to know more in detail, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching.